How to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger and click on it, exactly like that. Now it will take you to the app informations page, as you can see. Click on force stop to stop the app from running and then go to the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and delete. Go back again, click on the power usage details right here, click on this option and click down here on force stop. And then go back to the home page in your phone, open the Play Store and search for Messenger and click on this update option, as you can see right here. When you click on update, your app is gonna be updated and any problem you have is gonna be solved. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.